Hey, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in. I just want to talk about something real quick that was on my mind, and it's just I want to talk about applying yourself. Now, I gave this some thought before I even started recording because it was kind of on my mind. And if you think about like if you take a mug or a glass and it breaks and you want to fix it. The best way to fix it without buying another one is to take the broken piece and then put some glue on it and then apply or reapply back to the original piece. And what that does is it seals it and it's back in place. But here's the thing. When you apply the glue, you only have a certain amount of time to place the broken piece back on the mug or the piece that broke off. So you only have a short window of opportunity to put it back, because if you don't, guess what happens? The glue dries up. So you're not able to put it back. So I gave that some thought when it comes to business and the aspect of business. Opportunities come and go all the time. And I said it in another video, but the thing is, when we get into the opportunity, we never apply ourselves. So taking the information, applying it to your mind, and then with that application, putting it back into what you bought into, regardless to what it is. If you're branding yourself, if you're starting a home-based business, or any affiliate marketing or anything like that, you never applied yourself to it, so you never become a part of the original piece or base, if that makes sense. So once I gave it some thought, I thought it's so many people that have done this, and nobody's better than anybody else. So if somebody else has done it, we can also do it too. So when I gave it some thought, I thought about, let's take for instance like Michael Jordan. He's a very good example to use. When he was growing up, he was just some kid that grew up in North Carolina. Okay? But he decided he wanted to become a basketball player, and he decided he was going to be the greatest. Now some may dispute whether he's the greatest or not or whatever, but he did some phenomenal things when he was doing his career playing basketball. And what he did is he structured himself when he was younger to practice and applied what he saw, as he was growing up, as he watched Magic Johnson, I don't know all the people that he watched growing up, but different basketball players that he idolized growing up. That's why when you look at Kobe Bryant, a lot of his moves and stuff are very similar to Michael Jordan. He watched Michael Jordan as he grew up. So he took what he saw, applied it to himself, and then now he's the player that he is today. It's no different if you want to be a doctor, okay? You see what doctors do. You're not born a doctor. So you go to school and you take that information and you apply it to yourself, and then turn around and take it and go back into the field that you want to go into, and then become a doctor. It's no different in business, okay? We weren't born with a special set of a skill set or set of skills. You learn what they teach you, or you read books to better yourself, to add value to the marketplace, and then you turn around after you take that knowledge and apply it in your mind again. After you take the knowledge and apply it, you turn around and take it to the marketplace as you have learned, and then couple with you have learned to the value that you're trying to bring, and then boom, that's when the connection is made. And then that's when you become that person. And you only have a short window of opportunity to do this. You really don't have a lifetime. Life is short within itself. Most people don't even get a chance to see 65. Okay, unfortunately. But it's how we value things, and it's how we're using our time. Everybody has 24 hours in a day. And you have to decide, what am I going to do with my 24 hours that I have? Am I going to apply the glue and get stuck back to the original source and become part of that? Or am I going to apply the glue and let it dry and not take the opportunity to get back to where I need to be? Or am I not going to put the glue on at all? But you have to make the decision. And what I learned from one of my mentors is, you are the sum total of all the decisions that you make, that you've made in your life. Never ever forget that. So With that being said, let's try our best to make better decisions in our life. Apply what we have learned. Take action. Work on yourself. Work harder on yourself than you ever have and than you ever will on somebody's job. Be blessed. We'll see you at the top.